When I think back to the challenges that the COVID-19 pandemic presented to the aseptic manufacturing community, I'm amazed that projects were able to be executed at all. However, the resilient professionals in our industry executed a myriad of projects to get therapies and vaccines to patients in time periods that were faster than it had been achieved before. One of the key challenges was accelerating these timelines. The standard approach from product development to therapies to patients was not going to be good enough. Come join me at the ISPE Aseptic conference, and you will hear how one company examined and refined their process for getting pre-PPQ batches to patients to meet the needs of the pandemic. I hope to see you in Bethesda in a couple weeks.